How to send money through WorldRemit. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. It is quite easy to do. All you have to do is just open up the official website of WorldRemit, and after that make sure that you select the region where you are currently located at, and this way you would be able to choose your country's currency. Just select that currency, which is the currency that you will be sending, and after that you will have to select the currency of the person who you are sending this money to. Suppose I'm sending this money from UK to Philippines, so I will just select my region over here as United Kingdom, and after that I will type the amount that I want to send, and then I will select the country, which is Philippines, and this amount will be calculated automatically. After that I need to select the kind of transfer that I want to make. So just click on this button, and after that you will be able to see different methods that you can use in order to make this payment. Suppose I want this to be a bank transfer, so I will just select bank transfer. After that I need to click on this option of continue and wait for it. Then it will ask you to select the bank partner. So let's click on this option of select partner. Then I get different options to choose from. I will select any of the option, and these options differ from country to country, so you might be getting different options, and since I'm making this payment in Philippines, that's why these options are there. So let's select this option of BPI accounts, and after that wait for a while and it will show you how much fees it is going to charge you and how much time it will take and the total amount that you need to pay. So we are paying around 100, but including the fee it would be 101.99 GBP. After that just click on continue, and alternatively you can simply sign up on WorldRemit and then do this process that we are just currently doing. You can do it anyway, so just click on continue. After that it will ask you to create your account on WorldRemit and seek your information like your phone number, email address and all sort of information. After verification of your information you would be able to send money. And this is how easy it is to send money through WorldRemit. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.